Hi guys, so today I think I'm gonna wash my hair. I know that sounds crazy, but it's been an interesting past couple of weeks, and like I said in my last video, I've been making a commitment to try to take it easy on my hair when I do different theater contracts and not wear it out all the time. So I braided it up and I've just been wearing different protective styles on the top. However, I've sort of let it go on for a bit long, and the dryness of where I am right now has meant my hair is starting to get angry with me. So I do need to give it some attention, not just leave it completely alone. So today I'm gonna wash my hair. This is what I'm currently dealing with. It is very fuzzy, as you can see, and I have a lot of, it's starting to try to break off, which is not the most ideal situation if you're trying to grow your hair longer or protect it. As you can see, I have a little bit of breakage here and a lot of dry skin. I'm going to try my best to see if I can salvage this scalp, but I do feel like I'm getting some length retention, which is really good news. I always feel like it's so humbling when you do your hair and you have a black shirt on, because you just get like hair crumbs and it makes you feel not good. The first step is going to be taking down all of this. These used to be cornrows, so you can't even see the scalp, but I'm gonna take it down, wash it, and then rebraid it for this evening. So let's see how long that takes. Okay, I took out one cornrow and it is long, but this is this much shedding. It's a lot of shedding. It's gonna be a long day. Like, also, I sort of wanted to share, I don't really talk about like personal things on my hair stuff or whatever, my makeup videos or silly YouTube videos, but recently I've been dealing with a lot of anxiety, and like I've dealt with it my whole life, but I think as you get older you sort of learn how to ignore things more easily, you know, and you have to create your own support systems for handling things. A lot of times when you're working, it can just sort of get pushed to the side, figuring out those systems to support yourself. And I'm so thankful about the people in my life who are really patient with me and find time to talk to me about things, and everyone I work with is always so kind and patient because I'm an anxious person. But the past couple days I've been super anxious about other stuff and things going on in my life in the future, and it sort of all came to a head yesterday. It made me realize, like, everyone has different ways of handling things, and not everyone can always vocalize how they feel or what you're feeling in your body. I don't really meditate, but this morning I woke up and I was like, I feel better than I did yesterday, but I feel like I wake up with that sense of fear and immediately checking my emails or immediately, you know, going to a place of like work to get my mind off of how I'm actually feeling. And instead I was like, well, I really need to stretch today. So I did some stretching, and I thought, well, maybe there's something to some kind of mindfulness in my day, starting it that way. And I just, for the first time, I tried a little guided meditation, I don't know, audio, I don't know what you call it, but a track. And it wasn't steeped in any spirituality, but it was definitely focused on intaking healing and exhaling doubt and fear or whatever is occluding you from continuing forward with your day. For me, this morning, that was really wonderful, because yesterday I was really feeling like I couldn't exhale, which is probably making me like see spots, which is what was happening. and like I had this rushing like sound in my ear. I could not hear anything. And I think it's because I wasn't exhaling at all yesterday. And so this morning, taking the time to hear someone speak that instead of my own mind having to say, you know, breathe in, breathe out kind of thing, actually helped, which was weird. So having someone tell me something as basic as just breathe in and out actually like weirdly took something off of my plate that I didn't realize I was having to think about consciously, because you don't consciously think about breathing in and out, but when you are anxious or when you're stressed, you like every single thing is something to think about. I don't know, I wanted to share that sometimes putting that to an external source, like someone else helping you and guiding you through something as basic as breathing, can be helpful in a weird way. I mean, but that's just speaking on me. I don't know what, you know, other people feel or how they would handle or deal with things, but I just wanted to share that that helped me today. It does feel really soft and moisturized. And I'm not getting a lot of small bits breaking off other than at the front. I am seeing some breakage here. I'll see that. Yeah. Almost half. One more left. One more. So this is sort of half and half so far. But I'll be back once I finish with this. Okay, got some more shedding. This is half of my head. Okay, so I took out the final one and it looks like it's grown, so that's good. It feels really moisturized. I literally did not put a single thing in it, but there's a lot of dry skin. Let's do a length check, might as well. So I guess this is the longest part. Grab this. Here we go. We've got some length. Here we go. So I'm gonna wash this, and I'm gonna try this shampoo that's like good for dry scalp and see if it makes a difference. I'm just gonna use my 𝚬𝚒𝚁. Oh no, it's not 𝚬𝚒𝚁. What's the brand? I'm gonna show. This is the shampoo that I usually use, and then I use a conditioner. And I'm gonna try a dry scalp shampoo and see if it works. And I'll let you guys know. Okay, I'm back. I've washed my hair. I just braided it into 2 little braids. You can see it is still soaking wet. I'm just gonna start with one side. I get really quick buildup on my scalp, so I think what I'm gonna do is just leave it and not add any product. I have conditioner on it right now, leave-in conditioner, but I'm not gonna add any scalp products or conditioner directly to here because I just get so much build up and I have to detox it, and then I have to whatever. I'm gonna do the same as what I did before. Feels really moisturized, and I had a lot more shedding in the shower. I'm gonna do 4 rows here and then 4 rows here, and I'm not good at cornrowing, so this is my second time cornrowing like ever. The first one, as you see, did not last very long. We'll try this and see how it goes. Okay, because I'm dumb, I literally didn't pack a comb with me. So I'm using a paintbrush to section my hair. Haha, gotta make it work. Jeez. For people who actually know how to cornrow, this is gonna be comical. This is gonna be funny. And hopefully it won't look too crazy. It'll just look manageable and it'll work. If you know how to cornrow, you're probably gonna laugh looking at how they look, so don't judge. Okay, I'm back and I've rebraided my hair. It's so bad. It does not look like cornrows, like barely any scalp is showing, but it will work until the next time I have to wash my hair. So this is it. I just did 4 on each side. I still have some flyaways. I just wanted to refresh my scalp and get everything clean, and I feel so much better after that. So this is the final look, and I'm gonna keep it up and put, you know, protective styles on it. It took longer than I thought, but I just was feeling so tired today. I didn't want to do this, but yeah, so that was it. I'm gonna go get ready for the rest of my day, but thanks for watching, and I hope that this was a nice different vlog, talking about my feelings a bit more, which I don't normally do. So thanks for watching, and see you soon, hopefully. Bye!